job, buddy. Okay. Rudy, let's go. It's always good to have a dog that's well trained and under control, regardless of whatever sounds come near it. For instance, the garbage truck, when it accelerates, you want the dog to be able to see you, respond, and not be frightened. This is all about confidence training. Even the sound of an air brake can make a dog jump into traffic, run away, be fearful. To keep your dog calm, cool, collected, it's important to place your dog into a sit-stay, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, grow it to 5 minutes. Place your dog in all sorts of different surroundings with noise, lots of distractions, and then your end result is a well-trained dog who will just stay.